Every year, thousands of workers suffer serious back injuries on the job, many of them caused by improper lifting. The good news? These injuries are preventable. Practicing proper lifting techniques protects your back and keeps you injury-free. Before you lift something, take a moment to plan. Ask yourself, what is the object's weight? Is it bulky or awkward to hold onto? Are there any sharp corners or loose pieces? Once you are familiar with what you are lifting, make sure your path is clear of all obstacles, and know where you're going to set it down before you pick it up. When you're ready, stand close to the load with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend at your knees and hips, not at your waist. Keep your back straight, chest out, and look forward. Get a firm grip with both hands before you lift. Use your legs to push yourself up. Your legs are stronger than your back. Keep the load close to your body to reduce strain, and move smoothly. Avoid jerking or twisting while you lift or carry. If you need to turn, pivot with your feet instead of twisting with your back. And when it's time to set the load down, bend with your knees and lower it slowly and carefully. Know your limits. If something is too heavy or too awkward, use mechanical aids like dollies or pallet jacks. Or, better, ask a coworker for help. Do not risk your back trying to tough it out. Your back has to last your entire career, so take care of it now. Work smart, not just hard. Practice safe lifting every time.